Welcome the Art channel. Today we how to authenticate Airtable bases with CRM sync authentication. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Airtable bases with CRM sync authentication, first, log in to your Airtable account. Navigate to the base you wish to sync with your CRM. Open the settings menu by clicking on the drop-down in the top right corner. Select API from the list of options presented. In the API section, you'll find your API key. Copy this API key for later use. Next, go to your CRM platform. Locate the section for integrations or API management. Find the option to add a new integration or sync. In the Setup window, choose Airtable from the list of supported services. Paste your previously copied Airtable API key into the designated field. Next, you will need to input your Airtable base ID. To find your base ID, return to your Airtable base and open the API documentation. In the API documentation, locate the section that lists your base information. Copy the base ID from there. Return to your CRM setup window and paste the base ID where prompted. Now, configure any specific settings required for the sync process. This may include selecting tables or fields you wish to sync from Airtable. Once your settings are configured, test the connection. Look for a test button or similar option in your CRM integration settings. If the test is successful, finalize and save the connection. Monitor the sync status to ensure your Airtable base is updating as expected. If any issues arise, check the API key and base ID for accuracy. Refer to your CRM's documentation for additional troubleshooting steps if necessary. Once everything is set, you can start utilizing the sync features between Airtable and your CRM. This concludes the authentication process for syncing Airtable bases with CRM sync authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.